Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to create a subdomain in Hostinger. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And this is my website in Hostinger account. And let's say I want to create a subdomain for this website. It's simple. Click on dashboard. Then go to domains. Select subdomains. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger Horizons, just join dotcom builders academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. Select subdomains. Here, fill in your subdomain name, for example, blog. After that, click on create. But before that, you can even customize the folder name for this subdomain. By default, your subdomain folder will be named blog. Inside this folder, you can customize its name, for example, my blog or something like that. For this video, I will jump this option and I will hit create. And this is my new subdomain. Let's give it let's try to access it. Go to blog.benstutorial.com. As you can see, it is still empty with an SSL errors. Don't worry, this is normal. Just wait a little bit for the SSL certification to be fully installed. Let's check the SSL installation status. So go to security, SSL. The status is active. Let's give it a refresh, and just like that, my new subdomain is successfully installed in Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.